Water leak found video on the Seat Leon 2014. So if we just pop this door open and have a look inside here, you obviously see the water there already. If we come up to the sunroof, pour a bit of water in down where the drains are. Just look down here. So obviously, as you can see, water comes flooding in through the car. It's quite a bad leak because obviously the drains are blocked up, so it backs up and it will run. It will be behind the A-pillar trim for the windscreen. The same both sides. It's also at the back. We've just done it. I'm not going to pour any more water in there because it's quite a lot of water comes out. But as you can see, that's just from me doing the front. The back's leaking as well. It's leaking both sides. As you can see, the water's there as well. So both the sunroof drains at the back are blocked as well. That's why you're getting water in the back. If we quickly come to the front of the car and grab the watering can. This driver's front door membrane is leaking. So if we pour water down here, down the back of the glass, so basically imitating that it's raining, so the water will run down here, run down the bottom, and it's come out the bottom. If we do this and then come around here, you can see it's coming out here. So basically the door membrane is leaking, so that will be going into the driver's side at the front, which at first we didn't think was wet, but if we, after further investigation, sticking our hand under the seat, we can feel that there's wet under there. So that's also leaking. So as you can see there's quite a lot of water, and that's obviously going inside the car. So we've got 4 sunroof drains, and we've got the door membrane as well. Obviously the drains are quite bad, they're leaking quite a lot. As you see, it's still leaking now. So we're going to stick an estimate together for you, let's do the work, and we'll go from there.